Hi there, students. Mangle. To mangle as a verb. A mangle as a noun. And I guess mangled as an adjective as well. Okay, to mangle means to mutilate, to spoil, to crush, to deform, to maul, to tear, to break. So I could see the mangled wreckage of a car after a crash. The dead body was mangled beyond recognition as it had been in the sea for several weeks. So, to physically crush, to destroy, to disfigure by cutting, by tearing, by squashing. So you can use to mangle literally, but we can also use it metaphorically, meaning to spoil, to do very badly. So he's such a bad musician that he mangled what is a very beautiful piece of music. So to make unrecognizable through ineptitude. The story was mangled beyond recognition. It was so twisted and so wrong, you couldn't understand it as the original story. I'm certain I mangled my exam. Yeah, I just ruined it. I did it really badly. Now, mangle has another meaning, although it's very similar. A mangle is an old-fashioned machine with two rollers for squeezing or wringing water out of clothes when you're washing them, and also to press them, to flatten them. Okay, so a mangle, it's like two big rollers, one on the top of the other, and then you have a wheel and a handle, and these rollers go round and squeeze very, very hard. To quote the immortal Peter Cook and Dudley Moore, I haven't laughed so much since Grandma died, or Auntie Mabel caught her left it in the mangle. But today we use a spin dryer or an iron to do the same job. But in the 19th century, a mangle was an important part of washing the clothes. So, to mangle, to deform, to maul physically. The mangled wreck of a ship that had run aground in a storm. Or we can use it to mean to deform figuratively. He wrote a good essay that he mangled with his bad grammar. So the essay could have been really good, but it was ruined, destroyed, twisted by using bad grammar. And then a mangle, this machine with two rollers to wring the water out of clothes and to press them flat. Okay, so what about formality? Well, I think to mangle, I think I'd probably give this I'd give it a 5 in formality. I think it's ever so slightly on the more informal side, but I think you could use it just about anywhere. Yeah, particularly informal, semi-formal, very formal maybe. And then the machine is clearly 5 formality. It's an old-fashioned machine, and maybe some people won't know what it is today, but a 5 in formality. And then as to the origin, well, the mutilate meaning, we have a Middle English word, mangleen, which comes from Old French, mangonner, to cut to pieces, or maybe from the English word mancleen, to mutilate. And the machine comes from Middle Dutch, mango, a mangle. So I hope I haven't mangled my explanation of this word. I think not. To mangle, to destroy, to deform, to break up. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.